Oh, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm just crashing the wave. What? Are you kidding me? 11? 11 months? The first day of the 11th month? Oh man. What a,
That's quite the sign, isn't it?
that's a sign. That is definitely a sign.
I know the moon's pretty.
Yo, what is really happening today? Congratulations.
Seagull, rice.
Congratulations.